Welcome back everybody to Boats vs. Haulover, but as you can tell, we are not at Haulover Inlet today, we are at the Point Pleasant Canal, or better known to us as the Canal. Let's see how our captains fare as they step in the ring and prepare to do battle. It's gonna be a wild one, and it always is every time we come up here to Jersey. Here we go in our first round, and we're gonna have a ROBALO stepping in the ring to try and do battle with the Canal. No, they stuff it early! And I didn't even see the kid in the bow, but man, he is mad at his dad. Right here we see the action go. Wifey pops up like burnt toast, and here comes the son. And he's gonna look back at Dad and yell, "What's wrong with you?" Well, what's wrong, sons? Dad just took a loss in the first round, but hopefully the boats can make a comeback in the second round. And here we go. We're gonna have an EBBTIDE stepping in the ring, trying to do battle with the Canal. And so far they look pretty good. They've got a pretty good pace, trying to keep the bow trimmed up a little bit. Got a little calm section here as well, which really helps. Not a ton of boats come by, and our guy might take a solid win for the boats, but we do have some other action coming up. Here we're about to get some wake thrown at him, and it appears the approaching vessel's not really following that no-wake protocol here in the Canal, and our crew looks confused. He kind of throws up the hands like, "What are you doing? Slow it down." And we get a one-finger salute at the end. And you gotta keep your eyes forward. They stuffed the bow a little bit, and now we're really gonna get mad. But Cap took his eyes off of where he's going, and now he kind of pays the price for it. This one's a tough call. They lost by stuffing the bow, but in theory, somebody else broke the rules, breaking the no-wake zone rule. This is a tough one. This is the first time ever somebody stuffed the bow, and I'm gonna give it to them, so I'm gonna give the win to the boats in this one, as once again, this crew just came in a little fast throwing a wake that they really weren't allowed to do, which is a little different than the Haulover situations, because that's not a no-wake zone right there. Which is gonna bring us to a 1-1 tie as we move into the third round of our competition, where we're gonna feature a Stingray stepping in the Canal, trying to do battle, and here we go. Our crew's riding a little low in the water, and that's not gonna fare well for him. Probably right there, they stuff it. Man, I just saw it coming. The bow was just too low. He comes over the first wave, nose dives into the second, and they just start piling the water into the boat and get the free Canal deckerants. This is one of the things that makes this Canal so tricky. With it being a no-wake zone, it's tough to get the boat up on plane and get that bow up. All you can do is really kind of try and trim as high as you can, but it just makes a tricky situation for most captains, especially if you're in a boat with low freeboard. And that's going to give the Canal the slight edge of 2-1 as we move into the fourth round of our competition, and here we're going to feature that whaler crew trying to work their way through the Canal. Now, this approach looks solid. He's got the bow high. I mean, and they've got an extremely low freeboard on this boat. You would think if any boat's gonna stuff it, this would be the one that would do it, but not for the whaler crew. For whatever reason, these guys know how to work it, and they almost always look good. It doesn't matter if it's at Haulover or down here at the Canal, and they're not gonna disappoint this time either, and the whaler will take the win, bringing us to a 2-2 tie as we move into the fifth and final round of the contest. Who will take the win? Will it be the Canal or the boats? And here we go as our fifth round begins. And our guy's got some extra weight here in the bows. He's got some people up there. That's definitely not the recommended approach here at the Canal. Get everybody to the back, try and keep that bow up, but no! They're gonna stuff it, and he's gonna smack the snot out of the kids as well. Here they come down, we get the light stuffing, get a little airborne, and watch my man as we smack down. That kid's got whiplash, and unfortunately they're gonna take a loss for the boats in the fifth round, giving this episode to the Canal as the Canal wins again. Thanks for watching, guys. I hope you enjoyed this episode of Boats vs. Haulover. If you did, please check out our other content. We have Wavy Boats, who does a bunch of great things down at Haulover Inlet. My channel, Broncos Guru, do some great comedy boating videos there as well. And of course, we've got Miami Boat Ramps that features all the hilarity that happens at the boat ramps in South Florida. And if you guys haven't already, go ahead and drop an anchor on the subscribe button here.